Hello children, let us continue with our chapter, that is periodic table, and the next classification we did the Dobener's law of triads, we did the Newland's law of octaves, and next classification, that is Mendeleev's periodic table. At the time of Mendeleev's only 63 elements were known, and Mendeleev was the first who made the proper table for the elements. He arranged all the elements in the vertical columns and horizontal rows, and these vertical columns, they are called groups, and horizontal rows, they are called periods. So he made the table into groups and periods. What are the essential features of Mendeleev's periodic table? There were 8 groups, 1 to 8, and 1 to 7 were divided into 2 subgroups according to the properties, like group 1A and group 1B. Means if this is, suppose, group 1 and this is group 2, and this is again subdivided into 1A, 1B, and this is 2A and 2B, like this. So up to 7 he divided the groups into 2 subgroups according to the properties of elements, and at the time of Mendeleev's, elements were arranged as metals and non-metals in a period. Like horizontal rows, they are called periods, and vertical rows, they are called groups. So elements are arranged as metals and non-metals. As we move from left to right, non-metallic character increases and metallic character decreases. And this Mendeleev periodic table, that is also based on atomic mass. Still, the on which property the table is made, that is on atomic mass of the element. And there is one law he made, that is called Mendeleev's periodic law, that is physical and chemical properties of Mendeleev's periodic law. Physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic mass. So this law was given by Mendeleev, that physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic mass. So this classification, that is also based on atomic mass. So our next topic is merits of Mendeleev's classification, as he was the first who made the table with the groups and periods. And what are the merits of his classification? First one is grouping of elements. He generalized the study of elements in merely 8 groups. He made the study compact in 8 groups only. And secondly, he left the gaps for the undiscovered elements. By knowing the properties of the elements, he left the gaps for the undiscovered elements, and he predicted the properties of those undiscovered elements at the time by knowing the properties of other elements of that particular group. Like Eka aluminium. Eka aluminium, he gave the name Eka aluminium. Later on it was called gallium. By knowing the properties of aluminium, he gave the name Eka aluminium, and later on when that element was discovered, it was gallium. And for Eka silicon, later on it was germanium. He predicted the properties of these two elements earlier. Then incorrect atomic masses were corrected. He corrected some of the incorrect atomic masses like gold and platinum. They were placed according to their similar properties, and he corrected the atomic mass of gold and platinum. So these are the merits of Mendeleev's classification. Very good merit is as he made the study compact with the 8 groups only, and secondly he left the gaps for undiscovered elements. Thirdly, he predicted the properties of undiscovered elements like Eka aluminium and Eka silicon. Later on when they were discovered, they were gallium and germanium, and he corrected the atomic masses of some of the elements like gold and platinum. Now, what are the defects of Mendeleev's classification? As it is having some merits and some defects are also there in Mendeleev's classification. First one is anomalous pair. He made some unique pairs like argon, which is having atomic mass 39.9, that precedes potassium with atomic mass 39.1. Otherwise it should be below, but he placed it above. So this was one of the anomalous pair he made. And second one, position of isotopes. As Mendeleev's classification, that is based on atomic mass. So what are isotopes? They are the atoms of same element having same chemical properties but different mass number or atomic mass. Like hydrogen is having 3 isotopes having atomic mass 1, atomic mass 2 and atomic mass 3, and there should be 3 positions for hydrogen, but he placed it at only one position was given to hydrogen. So position of isotopes, that was the defect of Mendeleev's periodic table. The number of isotopes known for that particular element, they should be given different positions because the table is based on atomic mass and isotopes have different atomic mass. Third one is grouping of chemically dissimilar elements. Some of the dissimilar elements like copper and silver, they resemble with each other, but he placed them along with the alkali metals. They don't have any resemblance with the alkali metals of group 1. And separation of chemically similar elements. Some of the elements, they are similar with each other like gold and platinum. He placed them separately. And next one is electronic configuration. He did not explain anything about the electron arrangement of elements, atoms of elements. And last one is position of hydrogen. As position of hydrogen, it is still controversial as hydrogen is having some of the properties resembling the group 1A and some of the properties group 7A, that is halogens, and some with the alkali metals, because hydrogen is having tendency to lose the electron as well as to gain the electron. So hydrogen is having 1 electron, so it can lose electron and become H positive, and it can gain 1 electron and it can form negative ion, that is hydride ion. So it can form HCl or it can form NaH. So that is why hydrogen, position of hydrogen is not explained properly in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Still it is not in the modern periodic table. So these are all about the defects of Mendeleev's classification. Let us repeat. First one is anomalous pair. He made some anomalous pairs, means unique pairs, like argon, which is having atomic mass 39.9, that precedes potassium with atomic mass 39.1. Secondly, position of isotopes. As isotopes, they are the atoms of same element having same chemical properties but different atomic mass. As hydrogen is having 3 isotopes, so there should be 3 positions for hydrogen, but he gave the 1 position only. Third one is grouping of chemically dissimilar elements. Some of the elements, they were dissimilar, like copper and silver. They were placed along with the alkali metals, but they don't have any resemblance with the alkali metals. Fourth one is separation of chemically similar elements like gold and platinum. They are placed separately as they have similarity with each other. Next is fifth one is electronic configuration. He did not explain anything about the electron arrangement of atoms of elements. And last one is position of hydrogen, as it was not clear it is there in group 1A or group 7A. So these are the defects of Mendeleev's classification. Thank you.